So hello and welcome back to Gumade's Coins and Banknotes, and in today's video we are looking at the UV security feature in the current Indian banknotes. So I don't have all the denominations. I think I'm missing the 20, probably 100, 200. Okay, I'm missing just the 20 rupees. So you get these banknotes valued in 10 to 2,000 rupees. But the 2,000 rupees has been withdrawn from circulation. The highest value you're going to get in India is 500 rupees. Currently in Australia, it's worth about exchange rate $10. So, this is the Ganda series. Well, since the 90s, they've all been Ganda series. And this is the better series that India's ever produced, because all the banknotes are just the one colour. And because India still has a high illiteracy rate, it's actually good for the population, they can distinguish, although you can get confused between these two banknotes, especially if you're colorblind. Okay, so we've got the UV lamp, and we're looking at the security features of this banknotes series. So the first thing you'll notice, the security thread is UV, and also we have a weakness in the UV there that might just be damaged, but we'll turn over the banknote. And it's probably just little threads in the actual banknote, and you can see that the actual watermark shows up a little bit, but obviously 10 rupees, not high value, so the security features is quite low. Okay, here's the 50. I actually quite like this color, and you can see the actual threads. So these have been used for probably about 50 years, but most countries don't use the security thread in the center with UV on it. And the back, you can see, I suspect on all these banknotes, the front of it has a segmented UV, and the back of it is just one strip. So that's pretty much that type of UV. Then we have the 100, so it's getting more higher in value. And you can see the UVs change. So instead of being the whole strip, it's just the words. So Reserve Bank India in Hindi and Latin script. And also we have the actual serial number is UV on both of them. So both of these serial numbers are actually UV reflective. It doesn't show up too well on the actual video, but when you look at it just with your eyes, it does show out a lot better. And on the back, yeah, just the security thread again, all of it. So obviously they've imprinted the security thread on both sides differently with UV. Okay, then we have the 200. In the 200, the security, the serial numbers are not UV. You have a lot of threads on it. And once again, we have the reflection on the RBI on the security thread. We turn it over on the back. Yeah, it's just the security thread that is the UV part. So a little bit disappointing. Then we have the 500, and obviously, so what date is this one? This one's dated, okay, so here's the back of it. It's just a security thread that has UV. This is 2017, so that's the first year of issue. Oh, actually 2016 probably is. And on the front, it's weekly UV, so it's a bit disappointing. And the highest value banknote is the 2000. As you can see, it does those security threads. Once again, RBI in the actual security thread in there. And on the back, basically the same thing. So, and the serial number is not UV reflective. So what date is, okay, the 100 is 2018. And I think all the other banknotes 2017. So maybe the high denominations have UV reflecting in the serial number, but just when they initially issued these banknotes, because they were in a hurry, they didn't do that. So when you go to India, This is going to be a little bit helpful. So there's only two real features you need to look out for. There's the actual security thread and also the little fibers in the actual banknotes. So I hope this helps you with your anti-counterfeiting features on Indian banknotes. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome banknote and coin collecting time. Just remember, don't get ripped off.